Filtration equipment continued. Centrifuge. A centrifuge separates the solid from a liquid in a slurry. The slurry is fed into a basket, which is lined with the filter medium within the centrifuge. The centrifuge uses rotational speed to force the liquid portion of the slurry out through the filter, and the solid portion is retained. A centrifuge is used when the solid material retained is the final API, and the filtrate is waste material. Filter press. A filter press is used to remove unwanted solid material from a liquid. The filter press uses a series of plates and hollow frames to collect the solid material. A slurry is passed through the press, and the solid material is collected in the hollow frames as the liquid passes through. A filter press is generally used to clarify solutions and remove small amounts of solid. Filtration parameters. Flow continued. Centrifugal force. In centrifuges, the slurry is forced into the filter medium by a centrifugal force, or rotating force. As the basket is rotated, the slurry is forced against the filter medium. The solid is retained, and the liquid passes through the filter. The correct rotational speed, which is specified in the BPR, must be used. Using too high a rotational speed could damage the filter medium. The filter cake could also be compacted and stop the filtration process by not allowing the liquid to pass through. Using too low a rotational speed will slow down the filtering process, as there will not be enough force for the liquid to pass through the filter medium.